Hey everyone, welcome to another Manin's Minute. So today I want to talk about something that doesn't get said enough, at least not by me. It's one of those truths that sits quietly in the corner, nodding, while the loud stuff gets all the attention. But I think it deserves the spotlight for a minute. Because if you ever watched one of my videos, left a comment, shared a thought, or even just sat and reflected on something I said, then guess what? You've been my teacher just as much as I've been yours. Now, I know that might sound a little backwards. You tune into Witch in the Working because you're looking to learn more about the craft, Wicca, magic, the old ways, the new twists, and all that witchy wonder we love so much. And I'm here doing my best to guide, teach, inspire, and maybe even entertain a bit while I'm at it. But the truth is, this journey isn't a one-way street. It's a roundabout, a circle, which is kind of perfect, right? Every time I hear your feedback and read your personal stories or see the way you interpret something that I've shared, I walk away with something new. You show me how different perspectives breathe new life into old practices. You remind me that the craft isn't some fixed relic locked in a dusty tomb. It's alive, pulsing with energy, and ever evolving because of you. When you comment and say, "Hey Manin, I never thought of it this way, but what if?" or "I was raised this way and here's how I do it," you're not just sharing, you're teaching. You're offering me and everyone else watching a fresh lens to look through. You bring your own flavors, your cultural spices, your personal twists to the pot, and suddenly our collective cauldron becomes richer, more textured, more inclusive. Some of you come from traditional lineages, others are brand new, just dipping your toes in and feeling the ripple. And both ends of that spectrum, and everywhere in between, help me grow. I've had moments where your questions made me stop in my tracks and think, I never considered it like that. And then it sends me down rabbit holes, researching, meditating, reflecting, so that I can come back not just with answers, but with new questions too. You push me to keep learning. You hold me accountable in the best way. I can't just sit back and coast. I have to keep sharpening my blade, expanding my understanding, and deepening my own practice. And I love that. You challenge me with kindness, curiosity, and passion. That's a rare gift, and I cherish it. This whole channel, Witch in the Working, has become more than a platform. It's a sacred circle, a virtual coven of sorts. Sure, I may be the one with the camera and the mic, but the real magic is in the exchange. The comments, the stories, the private messages, even the disagreements when they come from a place of respect, they all feed the fire. Sometimes I think we underestimate just how powerful shared energy really is. When you light a candle and I light mine, somewhere, somehow, that spark connects us. It creates a current, a flow, and that's exactly what's happening every time you teach me something new, intentionally or not. So this video, this moment, this little love letter to all of you, it's my way of saying thank you for your insight, your spirit, your willingness to be vulnerable, weird, wild, curious, skeptical, and enchanted. You've made me a better witch, a better teacher, a better student. You've helped shape not just my content, but my path. And that's something I'll never take for granted. Keep showing up, keep sharing, keep questioning, keep being exactly who you are, because as much as you say I've helped guide you, please know you've guided me right back.